Hi guys, it's Krista from Cool Sauce Tech, and today we'll be building the D60, a 60% alu HHKB layout board from KBDFANS. We'll be using an aluminum plate, a hot swap RGB PCB, already installed the stabilizers, which are Durock V2s, lubed up with Dialectric grease and Krytox 205G0. This build mimics my previous vid of the D65, with the PCB foam sandwiched in between the plate and PCB. For switches, we'll be using the Zealios, the bougie Tactile King, lubed with Trybosis 303. The board has a gasket mounting style, using pour-on foam to suspend the PCB and plate in the case to offer that nice, bouncy typing experience. Small history lesson. HHKB stands for Happy Hacking Keyboard and was released in 1996 by Professor E.T. Wada, a Japanese system administrator who saw a need for IT professionals to benefit from a smaller layout, and with its success, popularized it, allowing a lot of keyboard makers to experiment with the layout and produce boards like this. Sorry anti-foam gang, but I'll be using case foam in this build. I live for the muted sound profile. So this is me trying to put the case together and failing because I'm too dense to realize I put too much switches in.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
For keycaps, we'll be using the Novel Keys PBOW Cherry Profile PBT set. Great value for a good price. And to add a little personality to the board, a Gengar artisan. So all in all, good build I would say. As I build more and more, I'm getting a lot more comfortable with the different tasks, like lubing is super relaxing now, and learning how different switches and plates interact help the sound. It's pretty neat. The D60 is a good board, but a little pricey. So if you missed the Ramakara group buy and would like to try out this layout, the D60 Lite, which is a polycarbonate, more affordable version, is set to release, so keep your eyes peeled on the KBDFANS website. If you reached this far into the vid, thanks for sticking around. Feel free to like and subscribe, it goes a long way. Thanks again, and take care.